Tokyo, Overcrowding by Sam Cooper. Tokyo. Over the last few years, Tokyo has experienced severe overcrowding, and today their population has skyrocketed to over 37 million people. Because of this overpopulation, Tokyo's water supplies may soon be insufficient to supply the growing population of Tokyo. Tokyo is a major commuter city in which approximately 2.4 million people commute to work every day in Tokyo. The history of Tokyo. Tokyo is one of the oldest cities in the world, dating back about 400 years. According to a 2016 estimate of Tokyo's population, the metropolis is now home to 13.5 million people. Tokyo is an aging city, as many of its citizens are elderly and has a birth rate lower than the national average. What is the problem? Over the last few years, Tokyo has experienced a lot of urban development. Their population has tripled. Because of all these people, that has been led to shortage of housing and many other problems. About 83% of Japan is mountainous, and it causes major pressure on the rest of Japan, with its 127 million inhabitants crammed into only 17% of the island. The most extraordinary factor about Tokyo is their population. Population density is also a problem in Tokyo. According to the Metropolitan Government website, at 2,191 square kilometers, the area of Tokyo is 0.6% of the total area of Japan. With the population density of 6,158 per square kilometre, Tokyo is the most densely populated place in Japan. Population density is not something that is easily controllable, which leads to issues that these densely populated cities face, such as water supply and housing shortages. How have Tokyo responded to the problem? One of the major issues that Tokyo is being affected by is its public transport. One of the ways Tokyo have responded to this problem is by having a rush hour for public transport. When people hop on public transport, they actually have to be pushed by people pushers, which is their job to cram or push people into the train and fit everyone in it. Another way Tokyo have responded to the problem is by building tall, not wide. This then creates more housing. Other solutions that could be implemented are a limit on children per family. Thank you for listening.